U.S. Special Operations Forces SOCOM selects the SOLGW MK1 as its new frontline rifle, replacing the M4A1 in elite units. Built for extreme reliability and precision, the MK1 marks a new era in special operations firepower.
Right here we have the Sons of Liberty Gunworks Mark I, which is recently adopted by SOCOM. So we have the Mark I right here. These are the contract colors, which is kind of a darker gray. I included the Elcan Spectre on here, which also sits at a dark gray color. And as you can see, they're fairly similar. A little bit of, two-tone-ish between these and the rails and stuff, but I imagine that comes down to the type of finishing work that they're doing here. Again, this is very initial. We just kind of got everything together. We do have scallops on the side as far as grip and perhaps heat mitigation as well. We're not going to give away too much before a review. This is a placeholder. We do have the actual Huxwork suppressor coming. This is one of the earlier cans. Now, probably most exciting is the new MAL UHP from B.E. Myers, which also just picked up a contract. And, this thing is probably going to get its own video because of how kind of radically different it is from a lot of the laser units out there. All I have to say is that the switches on it are incredible. Off Viz 1, 2, we have high, medium, and low settings, easily accessible. We have this visible override manual button right there. And then the pressure pad switch on these are quite amazing. Kind of stepping back, we could do an entire video on the barrel as well. The barrel seals incredibly strong, lasting out to, I believe, with a lot of your higher pressure NATO rounds around 70K. M855 Alpha 1, we'll talk about that more later. Lower stock, I put my own on here. I love the Volter stocks. But that is the Sons of Liberty Gunworks Mark I. We'll be doing more on it in the very near future. Stay tuned.